Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Forney Easy Weld 261. The Forney 140 welder is an impressive flux core capable welder. Perfect for first-time welders up to avid users. Applications include do-it-yourself projects, general metal fabrication, maintenance and repair, farm and ranch and automotive work. This is a portable welder which is lightweight, 19 pounds, easily carried to any do-it-yourself, maintenance, repair, metal fabrication and hobbyist project. All metal case, built to take the day-to-day. Big enough to handle 2 and 10-pound rolls of wire. It can weld up to 1/4 inch mild steel, so it's a match for many larger and more expensive models. Easy to use voltage and wire speed dials provide good control over weld depth. This is a physically compact welder that weighs just 19 pounds. The welder can run only flux core, not gas MIG, but that puts few limits on general repair and fabrication tasks. It also means it can work indoors or outdoors with access to an ordinary household outlet. The flux core capabilities of the Forney 140 welder are excellent. Perfect for both novice and experienced welders. DIY projects, general metal fabrication, maintenance and repair, farm and ranch work, and automobile labor are a few examples of applications. Our second best welder machine is Lotos LTPDC 2000D Arc Plasma Cutter Welder. The Lotos LTPDC 2000D is a first-to-market multi-purpose welder that allows the user to DC TIG or stick weld and plasma cut all from one portable machine. LTPDC 2000D combines 3 functions into one with a 200 DC TIG welder, a 200 stick welder, and a 50 pilot arc plasma cutter with the flip of a switch. Most of the time, a welder joins metals. But sometimes operators want to slice them apart, or perhaps cut out a hole or design. A plasma cutter is arguably the most efficient way to do this. Usually that means buying a separate machine, but with this unusual Lotos welder, it's included. So, in addition to TIG and stick welding of up to 1/4 inch thick material, the welder can cut through mild steel up to an impressive 3/4 inch thick. The welding function offers good flexibility, with current running from 15 to 200 amps. Although switchable from 110 to 220 volts, this welder requires 50 amps of power, so it won't run off a standard household outlet without an upgrade. Purchasing an optional foot pedal can help provide greater control. Pilot arc torch efficiently cuts through rough, painted, and rusty surfaces and produces minimal slag. Pilot arc technology allows you to cut without touching the tip to the metal. Better cutting quality and longer consumable life. Third pick in our list is Hobart Handler 140 MIG welder. This welder, built with Hobart quality and durability, the Handler 140 is Hobart's most popular MIG welder. Operating on standard 115 volts household current, the Handler 140 is extremely versatile and perfect for the welder that wants to work on auto body, household repairs, farm projects or yard art projects. At 140 amps, this is the strongest MIG welder that you can plug into a standard electrical socket. Unless you want to do major electrical surgery to your home, drastically raising the price of your welding hobby in the process, then this welder is probably your best bet. With 5 different levels of voltage selection and a wire feed speed range of 40 to 700 IPM, the Hobart 500,559 has all the adjustability you need to dial in the perfect weld. The amperage can be set from 25 to 140, giving you great control over weld depth. Able to weld up to 1/4 mild steel, this welder will be more than adequate for most hobbyists and enthusiasts. The 5-year limited warranty shows how much faith Hobart has in their product. The only drawback to this welder is its rather hefty weight. At 57 pounds, it's still portable, but you'll probably want to get yourself a cart if you do a great deal of welding on the move. Number 4 on our side is WeldPro 200 amp multi-process welder. This multi-process 200 amp welder from WeldPro offers MIG, TIG, and stick welding in one machine, thus providing excellent versatility. For beginners, it offers the ability to learn almost all forms of welding with a single purchase. It also enables contractors to offer solutions for a variety of client demands. Given the comparatively modest investment required, it is a strong value. With a maximum 200A output, the WeldPro has plenty of power and will weld from 24 gauge to 1/4 inch mild steel. It can run off a 110 or 220 volt supply. Both MIG and TIG torches are included, as is a MIG gas regulator. The durable unit also has a dual digital display for easy reference. Dual digital display, easy to read and set amperage and wire speed for repeatable builds every time. VRD high temp and overload protection with indication. User adjustable inductance settings. Number 5 in our top 5 best welder machine list is DecoPro 160A ARC welder. With a surprisingly low ticket price and a weight of just 12 pounds, at first glance the DecoPro 110 plus 120 volt MMA welder might appear to offer little to the serious welder. For enhanced safety, the welding machine has an ETL accreditation. Every MMA welder gadget goes through a rigorous inspection to guarantee its dependability and effectiveness. Excellent arc stability, hot start, and built-in anti-stick. This welder has an easy carrying handle, a small design, and is simple to transport and store. Very practical, can be applied anyplace. Reduce damage to copper and iron, improve welding frequency, and achieve a great energy-saving result. Closed-loop feedback control, a constant output voltage, and great network flexibility. The MMA welder is appropriate for joining metals such as mild steel, stainless steel, aluminum, and others. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.